Hari Om and Namaste. Dear friends, welcome back to the fourth session of our Yoga at Home series. Now let's gentle warm up our shoulders. Put your both hands on your shoulders, rotate your shoulders clockwise and anti-clockwise. Feel the movement opening your shoulders. Good. Now slowly lift your both hands up. Bring your left hand behind your back and your right hand over your shoulder. Try to interlock your fingers and they don't meet. That perfectly fine. Just reach as much as you can and feel the deep stretch. Now gently change your hand, your right hand behind your back and left hand over your shoulder. Interlock your both hands behind your back and hold there as much as you can. Slowly drop your both hands down. Now with inhale, lift your both hands up. With exhale, twist to right side, drop your both hands down. With inhale, again both hands up. Exhale, twist to left side. Inhale, both hands up again. With exhale, twist to right side. Hold there for some second. Feel a twist on your back. Inhale, both hands up again. With exhale, twist to left side. Hold there for some second. Feel a stretch. Inhale. With exhale, drop your hands down slowly and gently stand up. Come in front of your mat. Take 1 feet distance, both legs together. Roll your shoulder back. Get ready for Surya Namaskar. Inhale and exhale. Join your hands in front of your chest. Namaskar Asana. With inhale, both hands up, arch on your back. Hast Uttan. With exhale, bend forward. Touch your forehead on your knee. Padhastasana. Take your left leg back with inhale. Aswasanchalan. With exhale, take your right leg back. Come in Parvatasana. Inhale, drop your knees down. Exhale, chest and chin down. Come in Ashtanga Namaskar. With inhale, come in Bhujangasana. With exhale, go back in Parvatasana. Again, with inhale, come in Aswasanchalan. Exhale, come in Padhastasana. With inhale, both hands up, arch on your back, come in Hast Uttan. With exhale, come in Pranama. Same round from another leg. Inhale, arch on your back, Hast Uttan. Exhale, bend forward, Padhastasana. Right leg back, Aswasanchalan. With exhale, your left leg back, Parvatasana. Drop your knees down, chest and chin down. Come in Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, come in Bhujangasana. Exhale, go back in Parvat. Bring your right leg front, Aswasanchalan. Bring your left leg front, Padhastasana. Inhale, arch on your back, Hastuthan. With exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, arch on your back, Hastuthan. Exhale, bend forward, Padhastasana. Take your left leg back, Aswasanchalan. Take your right leg back, Parvatasana. Drop your knees down, chest and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. With inhale, come in Bhujang. With exhale, go back in Parvatasana. Bring your left leg front, Aswasanchalan. Bring your right leg front, Padhastasana. Inhale, both hands up, Hastuthan. Exhale, Pranamasana. Inhale, both hands up, arch on your back, Hastuthan. Exhale, Padhastasana. Aswasanchalan, Parvatasana, Ashtanga Namaskar, Bhujangasana. Come in Parvatasana again. Now with inhale, come in Aswasanchalan. With exhale, come in Padhastasana. Inhale, arch on your back, Hastuthan. Exhale, Pranamasana. Good work on completing Surya Namaskar. Now open your leg about 1 feet apart. Turn your palm forward. Gently close your eyes and relax there for some seconds. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Slowly come back. Gently come in center of your mat. Shift your body weight on your right leg. Lift your left leg up and come in Utthita Parsvakonasana. Balance there and focus on your right hand thumb. Same asana from your another leg. Again, shift your body weight on your left leg. Grab your right leg big toe with your right hand. Take your right leg, right side. Lift your left hand up and balance there. Come in Utthita Parsvakonasana. And now moving into our next practice, Ustrasana, camel pose. Drop your both knees down. With inhale, lift your both hands up and arch on your back. With exhale, bend forward. Inhale, arch on your back. Exhale, bend forward. Again with inhale, arch on your back, chest lifted, arch back, and one by one drop your both hands on your heel. Press your hip forward, arch your back towards the sky, and gentle look back. Slowly with exhale, come back and rest in child pose. Now from moving towards our next practice, wheel pose. Lay down on your back, bend your both knees, both hands placing beside your ear, and slowly lift your back and hip up, arch on your back, and stay here for few. Steady breathe. Slowly come back, bend your knees, touch your forehead on your knee, and come in Pavan Muktasana. Gently come back, lay down for some seconds, rest there in Savasana. Now take the support of your right hand and sit in Vajrasana and prepare yourself for headstand, Sirsasana. Interlock your both fingers, drop your crown of the head down, straight your knee, come to your toes and lift your both legs up. Balance there, feel the flow of blood in your skull, in your face. If you have cervical problem, do not do this practice. And drop your both legs down, make a fist of your both hands, place your forehead, push your chin down and slowly come in any comfortable posture. If you are comfortable in Sukhasana, come in Sukhasana. If you are comfortable in Padmasana, come in Padmasana. Roll your shoulder back, make a chin mudra, eyes closed, focus on your breath. We are doing first practice, Anulom and Vilom, make a Nasika mudra. Inhale from your left and exhale from your right, and inhale from your right and exhale from your left. Repeat this practice for 10 times. You can increase the repetition also. In Anulom and Vilom, your exhale should be greater than your inhale. Gently drop your right hand down. Moving towards our next practice, Brahmari, make a Sanmukhi mudra. Inhale normal, with exhale make a humming bee sound. Do this practice for 5 times. It is good for your brain and also reduce stress. Now from here, drop your both hands down. Sit quietly, noticing the positive energy flowing through your body. Maintain this calm awareness. Now gently bring your hands together at your heart center. Now bow down to your God, your parents, your teacher. With inhale, slowly come up. Hari Om. We will meet again next week with a new practice. Until then, let this be your daily routine. Thank you.